Here I am with my batter of kale and gram flour. I'm going to make kale pakoras. The oil is nice and hot. I'm going to start making the pakoras. Don't make too big, as when you put them in the curry, they're going to bloat up, expand, and really become huge. You don't want huge pakoras in your curry, so small ones will do. I'm going to finish up the rest of the batter so that I don't have to try them again. If you're not used to making pakoras with your fingers, then please use a spoon. Don't scald yourself. There, my batter is just about over. You can see the curry boiling on the side. I have it simmering since 1 hour. I'm going to take out the ones that are done, as you don't want really crispy pakoras for curry is not good. Half mine are done. I usually make palak pakoras, but as I have kale growing in my garden, I decided to try out kale pakoras. You can see the curry here. I just have to add the pakoras and then give it a tempering. There, my pakoras are done, as you can see. The tempering, I took a little oil. It's already hot. I'm just going to put 2 chilies in it. I'm adding the pakoras into the curry, which is really boiling hot now. Mustard seeds till they splutter. You should always hear the sound of splattering, or else they're not done. some curry leaves. And what I do at the end of the tempering is I add some chili powder, as it adds a nice red color to the curry. Now I'll switch off the tempering. Done. You can see the curry nicely simmered, and now add the nice hot tempering to it. You can hear the sound. Looks so good. I'm going to sneeze with the chilies. And for some fresh coriander. It's done. Curry is ready. You want to see it with the pakoras? There it is. With the pakoda. Simmering. Bon appetit to me. I'm going to serve it with some nice steamed rice and enjoy my lunch. Served the curry with the steamed rice, and this is how I like it. Lots of curry and lots of pakoras with the rice in the center, and then mix it up and make a lovely meal. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao. Do dabba. There, my curry is ready. Served it already. This is how I serve it. I like to have it floating with the pakoras, as you can see. My nose is watching because of the spices. Don't mind it. I'm going to have it with the pakoda, swimming in the rice swimming in the curry. It tastes great. Do try it. What makes it special is I made the pakoras with kale leaves, not palak, not any other vegetable, but kale leaves. Thank you for watching. See you next time.